Hi guys. Hi, how are you? How have you guys been? It's been a while since I did this video for YouTube. Okay, lakini nimewatupa guys, I'm sorry. So this is my first video of 2025 and my first one in a while. So now I'm starting to be back now in full force kabisa. I've missed you guys so much. Najua pia mimi maybe miss probably. I don't know. So my first video is going to be a fridge restock and like you guys to join me. So you guys kidogo in, let's restock my fridge. So how is your year going so far? Tuone is how. So hello, restock my fridge with me. Hi guys, welcome to another video. So let's do this. So I have some soda. Coca-Cola is my favorite. I'm addicted, literally. Some Sprite. So up here I have some wine kidogo, more Coca-Cola, and some ketchup. So we have our yogurt. I love Delamere, but the brand that I like me here, pear and caramel. This is my favorite flavor. So in. Okay. So afterwards we go to, let me see, some juice. More juice. I don't know if it's going to fit in here. Yes, it is. Some mango flavor. Oh, this one's have to go in here. Okay. Next, I have one Savannah. I like Savannah, by the way. Put that one there. I have some mini bites. Sausages are my favorite, but these will go in here because I'm having them tomorrow morning. I have some bresaola. It's like dried meat that has been seasoned. Put that in there. But that needs to go to the freezer if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure, but I'll check. I have a loaf of bread. This is the one I like. I have some broccoli. My favorite vegetable in the world. Broccoli. Oops. And I have some carrots and some ho-hos. Those are going as well. Just put them here for now if I find a way to organize them better. Okay. So now what else? There's more good. I have some nyanyas. Put those in as well. So I have some fruits. I don't know where to put those, but I'll just leave them out for now. Okay. So for the freezer part, we have some ice cream, vanilla. Then I have more sausages, the mini bites from Farmer's Choice. I like these ones. Then here we have some goat loin chops. We have some, what are these? Oh, more goat loin chops. And then behind here we have some of more goat loin. They're just goat. These 3 are goat. So yeah, put those back in there. Put this one on top there. I have some ice cream there. Close that. So let's make a small fridge. And then, guys, so this is what can I say? Kidogo a restock of almost everything, but it's so messy. Look at that kitchen. So messy. Everything is everywhere. So I have to start putting them where they need to go. Okay, so come with me. So I had forgotten something actually. So I had a bit of beef filet, if you may, for our French brothers and sisters. I don't know where it's from. So put that in the freezer. And I don't know. So we have a very small room here. So the fridge is not the biggest of them all. So let me take that and put it in there inside the freezer because I'm not going to have it today. Check up on daddy. And ice cream can just be there for now, guys. Nipe any advice on how to arrange things in the freezer so I don't die. Okay, let's keep going. So what more I have a pumpkin here. I don't like pumpkin sana, but I'll try and know what to do with it. I also have, this is olive oil, some fruits here. These are passion. I have some mango, some lime, some muhogo, some oranges. So I don't know, let me see what to do. These are chicken cubes and beef cubes for cooking. I love this brand, by the way, Sana. This is amazing. I like it. I have some coffee. My favorite coffee is this Dormans 3-in-1. This one, classic. These are some spice. This is cumin. And this is some chili. I like chili. This is some chili spice. Ground chilies. These are minji. These are peas, the green peas, the fresh ones. This tomato is spoiled. So I'll just clean this counter real quick. And then show you what more we have. We have a pineapple. This one is not so ripe, but it's going to ripen pole pole. We have a ripe one here. So this one I'm going to have today. Leo. And then we also have a bit of wax. Oh, we have some green bananas, some ginger for cooking. These are eggplants. I don't know how to, I'll find a recipe for them that works for me because I've never liked them sana. I have some ndoma for breakfast. I have some kwashe for breakfast. These are sweet potatoes, and these are, someone tell me what ndoma is in English or Swahili. Is it arrowroots, I think, or something, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not so sure. So next, I have some chicha. I'm going to make, this is terere, or bara people chicha. We have some sugar. We have some unga ya ugali, more dola. And then we also have some rice. Dawat, this is aromatic rice from Dawat. They also have some Dawat traditional basmati. They have very long grains, which is why I like it. So I think zitaiva moja moja, the ones za kuchambuka. Yeah. The rest of these things toiletries and mafuta. I like this soap, this mafuta so much. Wait a minute. This is ginger and honey. I thought it was the lemon one, but I'll still use it otherwise at this point. Some toilet cleaner, some Downy for some freshness in my clothes, some most soaps usually react so badly to my skin, they kind of burn me. I only use Persil and Omo. Those are the ones that don't. Ariel is my worst. And some detergent for vyombo. Okay. Some pads, of course. And some cooking oil. Fresh fry. I'm not biased. I buy any of them, by the way. So I don't have like a favorite thingy. So I don't know how to arrange these things because I have a small house. I have to find a place for everything to go. Oh my god, because it doesn't fit there. Guys, I have to find a way to make these things work. Talk to you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah. So guys, this is how I ended up arranging some rice and the ungas up there. And then there's some leftover from Kitambo down here. Yeah, so that is where some of that went.